Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode we will be building part 1-12 right hand front leaf spring bracket of the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So let's get designing. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex and we're building the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So let's open up our template and we're going to be working on part 1-12 right hand front leaf spring bracket. Okay, so let's go to right hand side, open SketchUp. Now this is going to be very interesting. It's going to be square, but this is it's going to come down an angle there, curved, angle there, curved and straight. So that works out pretty good. Okay, so still drawing lines. Let me do it to still square, so you go from there. Do that one. Okay, so this is going to be 146 up top and 76 plus 13, 89, yep. So it can be 89 down. Zoom that in. Okay. So now we need, let me draw a line from here to there. And just there for roughly, let me delete that one. So I need 2 rays of 13. Go from there to there. There to there. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now, so it's got me 13 from there to there. So this one's easy to work out. So from there to there, gonna be 13. From there to there, gonna be 13. Oh, I haven't done that one yet. 13. I'm thinking, why is that not reaching there? Oh, I forget. Let me just do that one. 13. There we go. Okay. Now this one, let me put that there. That one can go. Nope. Did it wrong. There we go. Tangent. Actually, before we go any further, let's pull that way out. This makes it easier to trim. There we go. Now, let me just trim that one, and that one. And that one. Oop. That one. There we go. Okay, trim that one. Beautiful. Okay, let me just put that one there. So the problem with this one is it's got the distance up, which let's do that one. Got the distance from here to there, which is 60. Yes, correct. Let me bring, oh, because we deleted some stuff down there, got rid of that measurement. So let me just put this one back in. That was 76. Beautiful. There you go. See the lines are black? That means they are defined. They cannot be moved. Where they're blue, you can move them around. Maybe. I mean measurement still. That's why I couldn't move it. Oop, missed. Okay, so 60 down. Oh, no. I see the measurement. Stand straight at me. So from that one to that one is going to be 101. There we go. Beautiful. I just couldn't see the measurement for looking. Okay, let me stand that one out. Let me grab that line and that line, make tangent. That line, make tangent. And then we're going to go, oops, missed. Trim, 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 and trim. That should close in. Beautiful. Okay. I'm going to do something a little bit different here. I'm not going to use the bolt holes like before. I'm going to use these ones. So we've got that one there. That one there. Oop, probably not quite that big. Now this is 10. And this one is 13. There you go. So that's all needed on that side. So now we go to extrude. It's 25 plus 2, 3, so 31. Mid plane and done. There we go. And we're just going to do the same that we've done before and just cut the center out. And then, oh, that looks like so close. When it's there, it looks like so close to it. I thought something didn't line up right. So let's go to front plane with it. Yep, front plane, beautiful. We're going to do that one again, beautiful. Smart dimension. That one to there, it's going to be 3 mil. That one to there, going to be 3 mil. That one to there, it's going to be 3 mil. That's all we need. This here doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what it is, because this is going to cut through, so it doesn't matter whether this has not been defined. In cutting out, like if it's something left behind, yeah, you definitely need to find it. Okay, so now we got the feature, that one, through all, whoop, reverse it, there you go. Doesn't go through, reverse it, and done. There we go, that's looking good. Now we just need to go fillet, 3, 1 there, 1 there, and okay. Fillet, that one. You gotta be careful you don't pick up one behind, so you grab the one behind, so you gotta make sure you grab the right one. And there's 1.5, and done. And that should be that piece done. So you see the difference between this one and the last one. It's a big difference, so that should be it. Oh, no, 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 we're not done. We are not done. We need to put some holes in top. Yeah. Almost missed that. Okay, so now we're going to go to bolts. For hole wizard. They're going to be 8. Already done 8 through all. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So they see apart. First of all, let me just do 15.5. Beautiful. So it lined up with that perfect, but didn't lock into that. I can move side to side, so that's why that never came up over defined. 38. Oop. No, don't want that. Oop. I think what it is, I'm grabbing that blue one, because that's the measurement. I think that's what it's doing before. Kept on going boobies. That one is 38, and that should be 15.5. Oh, hold on. No, I haven't done that measurement yet. Sorry. 15.5 was... Oh, cross, that's right. Okay. So that's easy done. Let's find the center mark. There it is. Do that one. Oop. Nope, that's not what I want. Oh. Sorry, that one highlighted. 38. So smart. That one to that one. It's going to be C8 divided by 2. 19. So now that should be halfway. So that one is 16, yes. And 16. There you go. It's halfway. Beautiful. So that's done. That should be right, yeah. Got no measurement there, so I presume that's halfway. Yes, now. If we have to change it later, we change it later. So click OK on that, and there is that one there. So there's that piece done. Excellent. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much for coming along. If you enjoyed it, click that like button. If you want to see more, please subscribe. And thank you for everyone that has subscribed, and welcome new subscribers. Got any questions, comments, or whatnot, leave them in the comments below. I'm happy to hear from guys and girls. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.